Hey everyone, this is Akansha here, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this product from Perfume Booth, and the product is the Scent Shot from Perfume Booth. This product's name is Malibu Women Scent Shot from Perfume Booth. This product also comes with an outer cardboard packaging where the name of the product is written, but unfortunately I don't have the cover anymore. So yes, it looks like this. Now let me tell you about Perfume Booth first. In Perfume Booth there are variety of fragrances available from all over the world. Like in this site you can get any international fragrance very easily at budget friendly rates. This site first studied Indian market for 1 year, and then they came with this idea of scent shots, which is actually a set of 7 international fragrances. Like this concept makes it very easy for you all to try international fragrances also at a budget friendly price, which I really like. Now talking about this product, the packaging is quite fancy. The only con to me is that the outer main lid is of glass, so like you have to be very careful while opening or closing it, and it's very easy to open it. Like you just need to push it from here and you can open it. As you can see, this product comes with these 7 vials filled with international fragrances. The quantity of each vial is 5 ml, and also this comes with a carry case or a dispenser like this, which makes it quite handy. Like it's very easy to use. You can pick any fragrance you want. Like I'm gonna pick the Louis Cardin one, and you have to just simply put it in this dispenser like this, and yes, you're good to go. You can very easily spray it like this. 1 or 2 sprays are more than enough. And one tip from my side is like you need to moisturize your skin well and then apply it. It's gonna enhance its effect. Also, the fragrance is very beautiful. Like all these 7 fragrances are very beautiful, but one thing is that I would have preferred a mixture of subtle and strong fragrances, because all these 7 fragrances are very strong. But that's no problem because they are quite beautiful. So yes, this dispenser makes it quite handy and travel friendly. Like you can very easily carry it with you in your clutch or your handbag. So yes, also this product is like a great gifting option. So if you are looking for a gifting option for someone who is very close to you, then you can go for this one. As per the price, it's for around 1195, and you can very easily get discounts on it online. You can either purchase it from the perfumebooth.com, or you can also look it up at Amazon, which provides huge discounts on these products. Like you can very easily get it for around 890, 850. So yes, I would give this product a 4.5 out of 5, and I really like this product. So if you are someone who like experimenting with fragrances, I think you should definitely give this a try. And yes, that was my today's review. Thank you so much for watching.